Welcome to Los Angeles, the city where sunlight, cinema, and the American dream blend into one dazzling canvas. Nestled along the Pacific Ocean, LA is not just the entertainment capital of the world, it's a place where culture, nature, and ambition meet in perfect rhythm. From the golden beaches of Santa Monica and Venice, where locals skate, surf, and watch the sunset, to Hollywood, the beating heart of global filmmaking, every corner of this city carries a touch of magic. Los Angeles is a mosaic of cultures. You can savor Mexican tacos, Japanese sushi, or Vietnamese coffee, all within a few streets. Each district, from downtown LA to Beverly Hills and Pasadena, tells a different story, one of history, glamour, and reinvention. Amid the skyscrapers and neon glow, LA still breathes with nature. Griffith Park's green hills, winding trails, and panoramic views remind us that this metropolis is cradled by mountains and sea. When night falls, the city lights sparkle like a galaxy brought down to Earth. Los Angeles is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey through creativity and diversity. And now, join us as we explore its most iconic landmarks, from Manhattan Beach and Santa Monica to the Hollywood sign and Beverly Hills, to discover why this vibrant city is forever known as the City of Dreams. Just 30 minutes from downtown Los Angeles, Manhattan Beach is a coastal paradise that captures the true spirit of California sunshine, golden sand, and laid-back elegance. Once a humble seaside village, it has evolved into a symbol of coastal sophistication and vitality. Walk along the Manhattan Beach Pier, a timeless wooden bridge stretching into the Pacific Ocean, and you'll feel the rhythm of the waves, the cries of seagulls, and the salty breeze on your skin. At the end of the pier stands the Roundhouse Aquarium, a small but delightful spot where visitors can explore local marine life up close. The soft, sandy shore invites surfers, volleyball players, and sunset seekers alike. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky turns golden and pink, casting a magical glow over hillside homes, a moment of pure California beauty. Beyond the beach, Manhattan Beach is known for its upscale coastal lifestyle, chic cafes, seafood restaurants, and boutique shops lining its charming downtown streets. It's vibrant yet relaxed, luxurious yet unpretentious. Take a morning stroll or bike ride along the Strand, the scenic oceanfront path where locals jog and greet each other with easy smiles. Here, you'll discover that Manhattan Beach is more than just a destination, it's a way of life, where time slows down and every moment by the ocean feels like a gift. In the heart of vibrant Venice Beach, where street art meets the rhythm of the waves, the Venice Beach Skatepark stands as a symbol of freedom, creativity, and eternal youth. More than a skate park, it's an open stage where individuality and passion collide. Built right by the Pacific Ocean in 2009, this concrete playground quickly became a legendary spot for skaters around the world. Its smooth bowls, ramps, and curves create the perfect terrain for both pros and beginners. Every trick and airborne spin reflects the wild and free heartbeat of Los Angeles. Surrounding the park is a colorful mix of street performers, graffiti artists, and sunbathers. Here, everyone belongs, no limits, no labels, just pure self-expression. As the sun sets over the ocean, the silhouettes of skaters glow against the orange sky, capturing the true spirit of California. Cameras click, cheers rise, and for a brief moment, time seems to pause, honoring the soul of Venice Beach. Venice Beach Skatepark is not just a place to ride, it's a living testament to freedom and artistry, where the pulse of the city meets the calm of the sea, bold, vibrant, and endlessly alive. Located on the western edge of Los Angeles, Santa Monica is one of California's most iconic seaside destinations, a place where the energy of the city meets the calm of the ocean. With its golden sands, endless sunshine, and laid-back vibe, it feels like stepping into a living movie scene. At its heart stands the historic Santa Monica Pier, built in 1909. On top of it lies Pacific Park, a seaside amusement park crowned by its brightly lit Ferris wheel, glowing beautifully over the Pacific at night. From the top, you can see the endless coastline, deep blue waters, and the distant Santa Monica Mountains. Along the 3rd Street Promenade, music fills the air, street performers entertain the crowds, and the aroma of fresh food drifts through the ocean breeze, perfectly capturing the free-spirited essence of California. Santa Monica also marks the western end of the legendary Route 66, the highway that once symbolized America's road to freedom and dreams. As the sun sets and the sky turns gold, the pier lights up like a painting, a perfect reminder that Santa Monica is more than a beach. It's a meeting place of dreams, waves, and endless horizons. Perched high on Mount Hollywood in the vast Griffith Park, the Griffith Observatory is one of Los Angeles' most beloved landmarks, a place where the city meets the stars. Opened in 1935, this Art Deco masterpiece has appeared in countless Hollywood films, from Rebel Without a Cause to La La Land. From its terraces, visitors can gaze over the sweeping skyline of Los Angeles and the iconic Hollywood sign nestled among the hills. Inside, science comes alive through interactive exhibits on space, time, and light, while the planetarium offers breathtaking journeys through galaxies and cosmic mysteries. At night, as the city glows below and the sky sparkles above, the observatory becomes a magical sanctuary for dreamers and stargazers alike. More than just a scientific hub, Griffith Observatory stands as a symbol of human curiosity and wonder, reminding us that no matter how far we've come, our eyes still turn toward the stars. Just a 30-minute drive from downtown Los Angeles, Redondo Beach embodies the true spirit of Southern California. Warm, lively, and effortlessly relaxed. Unlike the glamour of Malibu or the bustle of Santa Monica, Redondo Beach feels authentic and inviting, a place where life slows down to the rhythm of the waves. At its heart lies the Redondo Beach Pier, a horseshoe-shaped boardwalk stretching into the Pacific, lined with seafood restaurants, cozy cafes, and ocean-inspired shops. As sunset paints the sky in gold and crimson, boats shimmer in the harbor, creating a picture-perfect coastal view. Redondo Beach is a paradise for outdoor lovers. Whether surfing, paddleboarding, cycling along the Strand, or sailing through King Harbor Marina, every activity celebrates the ocean's freedom. Beyond its scenic beauty, Redondo Beach is a tight-knit seaside community, alive with weekend farmers markets, live music, and family gatherings by the shore. When evening falls and the pier lights glisten over the water, the air fills with laughter and the gentle sound of waves, reminding every visitor that Redondo Beach isn't just a destination, but a feeling the soul of the California coast. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Lee, the Hollywood sign is far more than just white letters on a hill. It is a timeless emblem of dreams, ambition, and the pursuit of greatness. For over a century, the word Hollywood has symbolized the magic and power of the American film industry. Originally built in 1923 as an advertisement for a housing project called Hollywoodland, the sign quickly evolved into a global cultural icon. Each letter stands about 45 feet tall, anchored firmly into the rugged hills overlooking Los Angeles. The best views of the sign can be found from Griffith Park trails, especially around Canyon Drive and Lake Hollywood Park, where the panorama of the city stretches endlessly under the California sun. For countless dreamers, actors, filmmakers, and artists, the Hollywood sign represents hope and possibility. It marks not an end, but the beginning, the start of a journey toward the stars. As the sun sets and its golden light washes over the hills, the sign glows against the sky, a reminder that Hollywood isn't just a place, it's a dream made visible. Stretching over 30 kilometers along the Pacific Ocean, Malibu is California's coastal gem, a place where turquoise waves, golden sands, and rugged cliffs blend into a perfect harmony of wild beauty and elegance. Just a 45-minute drive from downtown Los Angeles, Malibu is a peaceful refuge for artists, actors, and anyone seeking to slow down amid nature's serenity. The iconic Malibu Pier offers stunning views of Surfrider Beach, home to long, gentle waves that gave birth to California's surf culture. Watching surfers glide across the sunlit ocean captures the timeless spirit of Malibu. Beyond its beaches, Malibu boasts dramatic cliffs at Point Dume, vineyards tucked into mountain valleys, and scenic drives along the Pacific Coast Highway, where every curve reveals another breathtaking view. Malibu also radiates a refined artistic charm, cozy seaside cafes, local galleries, and elegant seafood restaurants overlooking the horizon. At sunset, when the sky turns orange and the ocean glows gold, Malibu feels like a living painting of the California dream. More than a destination, Malibu is a feeling, a blend of freedom, beauty, and tranquility, where the ocean whispers stories only the heart can hear. Just a 45-minute drive from downtown Los Angeles, Rancho Palos Verdes feels like a world apart, where rolling green hills meet the Pacific cliffs, and the golden light of sunset paints the California sky. Far from the city's rush, it's a sanctuary of peace and nature, where time seems to slow with the rhythm of the waves. The most iconic landmark here is the Point Vicente Lighthouse, a white sentinel built in 1926 that stands proudly on the cliffs overlooking the Pacific. As dusk falls, its beam sweeps across the ocean, creating a timeless and romantic view that captures every traveler's heart. Driving along Palos Verdes Drive, one of Southern California's most scenic coastal roads, you'll pass lush hills, elegant homes, and endless views of the blue horizon, sometimes even spotting gray whales during their migration. At the luxurious Terrania Resort, guests enjoy ocean view pools, cliffside trails, and fine dining that celebrates the region's coastal flavors. Yet beyond luxury, what truly defines Rancho Palos Verdes is its harmony with nature, the whisper of the wind, the crash of the waves, the scent of sea salt and wildflowers. When the sun sinks low and the cliffs glow amber, Rancho Palos Verdes becomes a living canvas of serenity, reminding us that the purest beauty often lies in stillness and simplicity. When people think of Los Angeles, they often picture Beverly Hills, the symbol of luxury, fame, and the high life. Nestled between Hollywood Hills and West LA, this small yet world-famous city is a playground for stars, designers, and dreamers chasing the American glamour. At the heart of it all lies Rodeo Drive, where global fashion houses like Chanel, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton line the streets. Shiny storefronts, sleek cars, and elegant shoppers create a scene straight out of a movie. Beyond the boutiques, palm-lined residential streets hide stunning mansions owned by movie legends and music icons. The iconic Beverly Hills Hotel, with its pink facade and timeless charm, has hosted stars from Marilyn Monroe to Elizabeth Taylor. As dusk settles, twinkling lights from cafes, gardens, and luxury restaurants turn the city into a glowing jewel of the night. Beverly Hills never truly sleeps. It simply shifts from golden daylight to velvet evening elegance. Whether you visit for an afternoon or a week, Beverly Hills feels like stepping into a living film where every corner shines with sophistication, beauty, and a hint of cinematic magic. Nestled among the rolling hills west of Los Angeles, Calabasas offers a perfect blend of nature, luxury, and tranquility. Known as the home of Hollywood's elite, it attracts stars like Kim Kardashian, Drake, and Justin Bieber, all drawn by the calm and privacy this city provides. Calabasas is defined by its scenic beauty, winding roads lined with oaks and olive trees, elegant homes tucked into the hills, and panoramic views that stretch across the San Fernando Valley, glowing under golden sunsets. In Old Town Calabasas, time seems to slow down. Wooden storefronts, cozy cafes, and the weekend farmers market create a charming small-town atmosphere filled with warmth and local flavor. Nearby, Malibu Creek State Park invites hikers and nature lovers to explore its sandstone cliffs and winding creeks landscapes that have appeared in countless Hollywood films. Calabasas reveals a quieter side of Los Angeles, one of understated elegance, natural grace, and genuine peace. It's a place where stars and travelers alike come to breathe, reflect, and rediscover simplicity amid the glamour of Southern California. If Los Angeles represents the American dream, then Hollywood Boulevard is its beating heart, where fame, history, and cinematic magic collide in dazzling fashion. Along this street stretches the Hollywood Walk of Fame, with over 2,700 stars, honoring actors, musicians, and filmmakers. Visitors pause to find their idols from Marilyn Monroe to Michael Jackson, capturing a moment beside their names in gold. At the center stands the TCL Chinese Theater, famous for its striking Asian-inspired facade and the courtyard filled with celebrity handprints and footprints. It's where countless world premieres have taken place, glowing under red carpets and camera flashes. Every day, Hollywood Boulevard hums with live street performers entertain, limousines glide by, and souvenir shops sparkle with star-shaped keepsakes. It feels as if you're walking through a movie set come alive. Beyond the glitz lies the spirit of Hollywood passion, ambition, and creativity that fuel the dreamers who come here. Hollywood Boulevard is more than a street. It's a timeless symbol of hope and possibility, where the magic of cinema begins. Amid the bustling cityscape of Los Angeles, Elysian Park stands as a peaceful green oasis. Established in 1886, it is the city's oldest public park, a beloved escape where locals and visitors reconnect with nature. Covering over 230 hectares, the park features winding trails through forests, grassy hills, and scenic overlooks. From Angel's Point, you can take in sweeping views of Los Angeles, from the shimmering downtown skyline to the Dodger Stadium nestled among rolling greenery. At sunset, the park glows with golden and violet hues, creating a tranquil, almost magical atmosphere. Elysian Park is a haven for picnics, hikes, bike rides, or simply breathing in the scent of fresh grass and pine trees. Families gather here on weekends, friends jog along the trails, and artists find quiet corners to draw or dream. But beyond its beauty, the park also carries a deep connection to the city's history, witnessing LA's transformation from open wilderness to one of America's most dynamic metropolises. In the rush of Los Angeles life, Elysian Park reminds us that true beauty lies not only in bright lights and motion, but in the stillness of nature, where peace and vitality quietly endure. Located just north of downtown Los Angeles, Glendale is a city that perfectly combines modern vitality with the calm spirit of Southern California. Located just north of downtown Los Angeles, Glendale is a city that perfectly combines modern vitality with the calm spirit of Southern California. Tree-lined streets, lively shopping centers, and wide-open parks create a seamless blend of urban energy and peaceful escape. The highlight of Glendale is the Americana at Brent, a luxurious open-air shopping and entertainment complex. Visitors can stroll by musical fountains, shop at designer boutiques, or enjoy coffee in the sunshine. At night, the lights reflecting on the water make it feel like a small piece of Europe in California. For those who love nature, Brand Park and Dukmeijin Wilderness Park offer hiking trails, picnic lawns, and scenic mountain views. Every corner here breathes freshness and life. Glendale is also proud of its strong Armenian community, whose influence can be felt in the city's cuisine, festivals, and warm hospitality. Family-owned bakeries and restaurants bring a welcoming and authentic charm. Not as loud as Hollywood nor as luxurious as Beverly Hills, Glendale stands out with its simplicity and perfect balance, a place where modern life and natural serenity meet in harmony. Just minutes from downtown Los Angeles, Echo Park is one of the city's most vibrant and artistic neighborhoods, a perfect blend of nature, creativity, and urban life. At its heart lies Echo Park Lake, a shimmering oasis surrounded by lotus gardens and walking paths. Visitors can rent pedal boats, admire the reflection of the LA skyline, or simply sit beneath palm trees as the breeze drifts across the water. Around the lake, cozy cafes, vintage shops, and local art galleries capture the area's creative spirit. Artists, filmmakers, and musicians fill the streets, shaping a community that thrives on imagination and expression. Echo Park isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle, where people live slower, dream bigger, and create freely. Along Echo Park Avenue, colorful murals and lively bars turn the district into the heartbeat of LA's indie music scene by night. Echo Park embodies the true soul of Los Angeles, diverse, expressive, and ever-evolving. It's a place where you can watch the sunset dance on the lake, listen to the distant hum of the city, and feel that amid all the noise, there's still a quiet corner made for reflection and inspiration. Tucked behind the iconic Hollywood sign, Hollywood Reservoir or Lake Hollywood is one of Los Angeles' most peaceful hidden gems. Built in the 1,920 seconds as a water supply, it has since become a serene spot for walking, reflection, and breathtaking views. The Hollywood Reservoir Trail, about 3.5 miles long, circles the still waters of the lake. Along the path, the Hollywood sign rises in the distance, perfectly mirrored on the surface below. At sunrise or sunset, the lake glows in golden light, and all you hear is the rustle of leaves and the soft rhythm of footsteps. Overlooking the water is the Mulholland Dam, a classic piece of architecture often featured in Hollywood films. With its historic charm and natural beauty, the area feels like a quiet retreat within the cinematic heart of LA. Though often overlooked by tourists, Hollywood Reservoir captures a rare harmony between nature, history, and culture. A tranquil reminder that even in the city of dreams, there are still places where time seems to stand still. Nestled above the city, the Hollywood Hills embody the blend of dream and reality that defines Los Angeles. This area is home to celebrities, artists, and visionaries who find inspiration amid its quiet roads and sweeping views. Driving along Mulholland Drive or Laurel Canyon, you can see all of LA stretch out before you from the glittering skyline to the distant Pacific Ocean. At night, the city lights shimmer like a field of stars, creating a view that feels almost cinematic. Beyond fame and fortune, the Hollywood Hills are also a place of natural beauty and creative solitude. Hidden trails wing through lush slopes, leading to vistas where sunsets paint the sky in gold and crimson. Whether you come to catch a glimpse of the Hollywood sign or simply breathe in the peaceful air, the Hollywood Hills remind you why Los Angeles is forever the city of dreams. Perched atop the iconic Santa Monica Pier, Pacific Park is the only amusement park on the West Coast built directly over the ocean. With its dazzling lights, playful rides, and ocean breeze, it captures the timeless joy of California's beach culture. Its centerpiece, the Pacific Wheel, is the world's first solar-powered Ferris wheel. From its peak, you can see the endless Pacific Ocean, the soft sands of Santa Monica Beach, and the Malibu coastline. As the sun sets, the wheel glows in brilliant colors, casting reflections across the water, a picture-perfect moment of California magic. Around it, classic carnival rides, the West Coaster roller coaster, and game booths fill the air with laughter and nostalgia. The scent of popcorn and saltwater blends with street music, creating an atmosphere of carefree joy. More than an amusement park, Pacific Park stands as a symbol of freedom, fun, and the simple beauty of seaside life. A place where every spin, every wave, and every smile feels like summer never ends. As the sun sets beyond the Los Angeles skyline, our journey comes to an end. From the sun-drenched beaches of Santa Monica and Manhattan Beach to the majestic Hollywood Hills and the vibrant glow of Hollywood Boulevard, every place tells a story of dreams, freedom, and the spirit of creation. Los Angeles is more than a city of films. It's a symphony of life, art, and emotion. Here, the waves crash to the rhythm of street music, murals bloom on every wall, and every visitor becomes part of its living story. The true beauty of LA isn't in its glamour, but in the feeling of being alive and inspired. Whether you're watching the sunset over the Pacific, walking around Lake Hollywood, or simply listening to the hum of the city at night, you feel its heartbeat, steady and full of hope. The journey may end, but Los Angeles stays with you like golden light on your skin, like a dream that never fades, inviting you to return and continue exploring the city of stars.